Hello everyone and welcome. Today we are going to take a look at assigning a record to a user registered under your SpreadsheetWEB account. The Transfer to User option is displayed on the status menu, which can be accessed by clicking the status name of a record on the data page. This approach can bypass the limits imposed by other features like groups or user roles. As soon as a record is assigned to a user, that user will be able to access it to the extent allowed by their user role. This means that they can edit the record if they have edit access. The owner of a record will also be shown under the user column in the data page. Let's see how this works on an example. Here we have an order entry application that can capture the user and order details. Assume that we have multiple levels of users in this order placement process. First, the salesperson creates an order request for a client, and then a manager needs to approve the order details, and finally, the request needs to be sent to a finance user for billing. This workflow involves 3 users, and users need to be able to assign their records to the next person when their work is done. First, the salesperson creates a new record and fills out the details. Then, the record can be assigned to the next user in the pipeline, the manager. Next, manager can log in and review the new order request. Once ready, the manager can then assign this record to the finance user. Finally, the finance user can build a client for this order. Notice that the finance user can only see the record that was assigned accordingly. Once this record is assigned back to the salesperson, the finance user will no longer have access to it.